Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to today's class. Today it's day 3 of our web development course. Okay. And today we're going to look at external linking. External linking. We're going to look at external linking. Okay. So, this is what we're going to look at in today's class. Okay. Yesterday, if I can just previously talk about what we covered yesterday. Yesterday was day 2. We covered internal linking. Okay, where we had, for example, the home page. Where we looked at, for example, the home page, where we looked at the about, where we looked at the services page, where we looked at the find us page, okay, where we looked at the contact us page, okay. We looked at all these members, looked at all this, okay, in the previous video, okay, where we had internal linking. So members, if you missed this yesterday, I can please tell you to check it on the playlist, and you get this video, day 2, where we had internal linking, so you don't miss any of the episodes, okay. So members, you can also hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. The moment we release them, you can readily find them. Okay. So that's what we covered yesterday, and today we're going to look at external linking. Okay. So what is external linking? External linking is whereby we link to projects, we link our website, we link to areas outside our website. Okay, into areas outside our website, okay, or our project. Okay, into areas outside our website or areas outside our project. Okay. That is it. That is how it is, members. Okay. So we have very many areas outside our project. For example, I can say maybe I can even say YouTube. I can say Instagram. I can say TikTok. I can say Facebook. Okay. I can say even here email. Okay. So we have areas outside our project or outside our website. Okay. So we can link to all these areas depending on the particular links that are embedded within those particular social media platforms. Okay. That's what we call external linking. Members, you understand this now? That's what we call external linking. Okay. Areas outside our project. Members, you see this? Okay. So today I can come here. And close this. So this was day 1, this was day 2, and now I can come here and open a new folder. I say this is day 3. This is day 3. Okay. This is day 3. Okay. So today is day 3, and we're going to start. And before I can start, I want to first talk about what you're going to cover. Day 4, tomorrow, day 4, we are officially going to begin CSS. Okay. Don't miss out this, guys. And day 5, we are officially going to begin. But day 4, I'm going to look at CSS. Let me first set that one. Okay. So members, just watch out. You're going to watch for this. Okay. So we're going to cover in day 4. Okay. So members, keep tuned there. To this. Okay. So I'm going to come here and My D3 is here. I come on it. I open with code. Open with code. Okay, it's there. Okay, it is coming now. It is coming. It is coming. So I'm going to come here. I say, for example, index.html. Okay, okay. As everybody knows that this is always my first page. Okay, I come here, I create something like that. The instructor comes. I come here, I say, for example, today I will look at external linking. Okay, heading 1. I even put here heading 1, external links. External links. Okay, okay. External links. Okay, okay. So what I want to do, I can even first close this. I say go live. I come here, I can even first put the p tag. P tag, I say these are examples of external links. Okay, okay, okay. So members, and I said go live here. Go live, and we see how our project looks like. Okay, they are here. It's here. External links. These are examples of external links. Okay, okay. So you can search for maybe YouTube. Okay, YouTube can come here very well and say answer. I come here very well and say answer. I say here YouTube. YouTube. Okay. If I don't put anything inside here, it will not go to YouTube. It will not link to what? YouTube. Although it can have your YouTube, but it's not going to go to YouTube. So I come here very well. I search for YouTube where YouTube is. I see YouTube is here. You see? I see YouTube is here. So what am I going to do? I'm going to come, I copy all this. I'm going to come, I copy all this. Here, I copy all this. Then I come here. I put it, for example, like here. Okay? Inside this href, inside the href, okay? Okay. And I do what? I leave here. Okay? After me putting that inside the href, now I'm going to tap on it and I see. Are you seeing now? I tap on that and takes me straight to YouTube. Members, you see this? From my website to what? To YouTube straight. Okay? Tap on it like this, takes me to YouTube. Are you seeing? Are you seeing, members? Are you seeing, members? Okay. So that is great. That is great. So I can come here and also do the same thing for Instagram. Okay? Okay. Come here very well. I say, for example, what can let me first my whiteboard here? Instagram. Okay? Okay. So I can do the same thing here. Instagram. Instagram. Okay? I come here very well. I come here, I tap on Instagram, I see the home page for Instagram. It's there. Okay? Instagram is there. Okay? I drag all this link here. The way you see it here, I drag all that link and I bring it inside my browser here. I come here very well, you see the anchor tag, I put here, and I say here inside here, I put here Instagram. Instagram. Okay? Okay. And I come and put inside here the href. Okay? Okay. So I'll just teach you how we do external linking. Okay? Okay. So when I come and tap on here, Instagram takes me straight to where Instagram is. Members, you see this? You see this, members? This is great. Okay? Okay. So what is next? I can come here, for example, I put, for example, TikTok. You see here, TikTok. Okay? Okay. So I can come here very well and say TikTok. TikTok. Okay, it is there. So members, we use social media integration a lot when we are talking about
Richard yali mutabani w'omu ku bagagga ku kyalo. Famire yaabwe yali erina ssente n'obwana bwazo.
You see members, Members, you can see I'm going to come here very well. I put here, I now open here, I say for example, hashtag, I put here TikTok. So members, we use external linking a lot when we are putting social media integration. Okay? When you are putting social media integration. Okay? Okay. So I do something like that. Okay? So when I tap on TikTok here, it takes me there. Are you see? It takes me to TikTok. Okay? Okay. So members,
Richard yali mutabani w'omu ku bagagga ku kyalo.
This is really great. Okay? Okay. So here, Facebook and email are the ones that I am missing. Come here very well. I put here, for example, tag. I put here in between here, I say Facebook. Facebook. So members, we use this method of external linking when you're talking more about social media integration. Okay? Okay. So you can do more. You can even put LinkedIn. You can put all those ones that you want. Okay? Okay. So I can come here. I can even copy all this. Can copy all this. I come here very well. I put, for example, here, I put inside the H tag here, I put like something like that. Okay? Okay. So when I come here very well, I type on Facebook, it takes me there. Okay? Okay. Members, this is really great. This is really great. This is really nice. Okay? Okay. So what can I do? What other thing is missing here are the email. Okay? So I can connect my website that I'm building with an email. Okay? Via using the anchor tag here. Anchor tag. So I come here very well, I say email. Okay? Email. Then I come here, for example, gmail.com. Come here very well. I'll show you very well. I'll show you very well. You can even come here very well. You drag all this. I drag this link here. I bring it here. I bring the link very well. I put, for example, somewhere like here. Okay? Okay, the link is there. So the email is here. I can even tap on it like this. It takes me direct to the email. That's what they call external linking. Members, have you seen this? Have you seen this? Okay. So that's what they call external linking. Linking your website to projects outside your website. Let's say look at internal linking. Linking pages which are inside your project. Okay? But right now we are looking at pages which are outside our project. Okay? Okay. So members, I truly hope that you are getting this very well. Okay? Okay. So we are going to look at something else before we wind up today. In today's class. Today, before we wind up, I want to look at something, for example, the image tag. Image tag. And let's look at the image tag. Okay? Okay. Let us look at the image tag. The image tag. Okay? Okay. So how does the image tag look like? The image tag, we use normally something which is, for example, IMG. IMG, you always see something like this. Okay? Okay. So IMG, it looks like this. That's the image tag. Okay? Okay. And then we put, for example, IMG here. But now we don't have any image inside here. We don't have any image inside here. Okay? So we are going to put an image here, an image inside here. So I'm going to come here, for example, and come here, for example, I put here, for example, shoes. Shoes, for example, I come here, images. I can maybe choose like these ones here. I come here, save image as, shoe. Shoes, I save. It's a JFF file. Okay? Okay. So I bring that image inside my project. You see my project here, day 3. Yeah? You see my project here, day 3. I bring this image inside here. You see it? Here. Okay? I bring it inside there and I say it's here. You see it? Shoes.gff. Okay? I say / shoes.gff. JFIF. Okay? Okay. The alt I can put maybe alt is alternative text. In case this image that fails to show up, this text can show up. Okay, I can put here. This is an image of shoes. Okay. Okay. So it looks like this. Wow, members. Wow. So here, members, you see the image of a shoe is here. Okay. You see this image here? It is there. I have put it here. You see it? Okay. So I can even get another image, for example, of a television. I can come here and get an image of a television. I come here very well. I look for the image. I can get which image can I put? I can put maybe this one. It's a good image. This one here. Okay. I come and save image as TV.gff. Okay. Okay, it's there. It has come. Okay, it's there. So I'm going to put that image, this one for TV. I bring it here inside the project, inside my project. Okay. Okay. So I come here very well. I bring. You see, it is here inside my project. I come here. I bring it here. IMG tag. Very well. I tap there. Okay. I come // shoes.gff, and I come here the alt text. I say this is an image of a television, not shoes.gff. I put tv.gff. Okay, it's there. It is there. Okay. So when you come here very well, it is there. Okay. Wow, guys, this is really nice. Okay. Okay. So members, today we have learned about external linking, as you can see here. Okay. So members, you see, I hope you have already understood this. Then we have covered external linking. We have even covered putting images into our project. Okay. Okay. So members, tomorrow I will look at CSS, introduction to CSS, and day 5 which I look at measurements, CSS measurements. Okay. Okay. So members, don't miss out any of these upcoming videos. Okay. Okay. So members, don't miss out any of the upcoming videos. Please hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of the upcoming episodes. Okay. And any classes that we have. Okay. Okay. Measurements. Okay. Okay. So members, don't miss it out. Don't miss it out. Okay. Okay. So it has been really great. It has been a very good lesson. I hope you can practice. I need to practice as much as possible. If you have any challenges, you can comment down there in the comment section. I get to see how I can help you. Okay. Okay. So members, I will see you in the next video. Okay. Okay. Have a great day.